Good morning, Namaskar. We will do full yoga class. It is very general, actually for beginners, means all can do. So in this yoga class we will cover breathing exercises, loosening practices, Surya Namaskar, asanas, pranayam. So that 5 segments make full yoga class. So much I will not explain. Watch and do. First breathing exercise, advancing foot forward, breathe in, stretching arms, breathe out, bring back together, advance, so transfer your body weight on front foot, rear foot comes on tip of toe. Every time while upward stretching, inhale, while coming back down, breathe out. Upward breathe in, downward breathe out. Smooth. Second breathing exercise, arms at shoulder height. Expand your arms, breathe in, bring together, breathe out, breathe in. While expand, breathe in. Here don't use more force on your arms. Arms movement gently. Inhale, exhale more. Focus on your breath. Relax. So when we focus on breath, that is breathing exercise. I will indicate which is breathing exercise. Now warm up exercises. Just jog little bit. If you are not comfortable in jogging, like this, walk easily. Those are comfortable, they can do jogging. Like this, you can do 30 seconds or 1 minute. Then next exercise, side walking. Next, arms at shoulder height, elbow bent, push your elbows back and lift your foot back. You can see at different angle. Heel goes on your butts. Likewise, raising knee high. So while raising knee high, clap below the thigh, knee down, raise your hands, clap overhead like this. You can do 15-20 count, these things. Now bending. Mainly 3 kind of bendings are there. Sideways bending, forward, backward bending, and twisting. 3 kind of movement. Side bending. While bending sideways, breathe out. Here, maintain your sideness. means while bending right side, that shoulder should not come forward. Don't try more bend. So keep shoulder laterally aligned and comfortably bend. Like this. Next is twisting arms at shoulder height, feet gap little bit. Breathe out. So while twisting, breathing out. Let your hand go fully. My left hand goes back, leading hand, right hand follower hand coming and touching the shoulder. Don't keep here. Let it go fully, then it will bend and touch the shoulder. Keep them slightly loose. Now forward backward bending. If you have back problem, avoid forward bending. So while bending forward, breathe out. Like that 10-12 times you can do. So we did some bending, breathing exercise, loosening practice in standing position. Next we will do Tiger Asana breathing. Like this, keep normal gap, not too much gap between your hand and knee. Breathe out, back protrude, chin towards throat. Breathe in, hollow back, chin up. So, cat and cow back. This is cat back, cat and camel. This is camel back, protruded back. While expanding front, breathe in. Then various movements are here. You can keep your hand gap normal. Right leg move up down 10 times. Up down means knee comes towards your arm. Like this left side you can watch. Avoid tilting left or right. So 10 times both sides you can do. You can do this thing also. Right leg, right side up down, sideways, up down, up down, up down, up. 10 times. Then left side you can do. So sideways lifting 10 times right side, 10 times left side. You can complete that. Then we will do breathing exercise in prone posture. It is very popular breath. You might have come to know in COVID period, doctors were telling prone posture breathing improves our oxygen level. So we are doing since many years cobra breathing. Place your palms by the side. Raise upper body up to navel, up breathe in, down breathe out. Here don't lift too much. My elbow are quite bent, you can see here. Lower abdomen, don't raise. While raising, breathe in. While lowering, breathe out. Bhujanga Asana breathing exercise. You can see cobra breathing. Then placing chin down. And next is Salav Asana breathing exercise. Hands below thighs, alternate leg lift. Right leg, raise, breathe in, lower, breathe out. Left leg, raise, breathe in, lower, breathe out. Like this you can do. Then next loosening practice. In next practice, many more muscles are engaging. Okay, like this, lie down. On your right side, lie down sideways. So throw your left leg forward, left hand back, breathe out. Leg back, hand forward, breathe in. So one way breathe in, other way breathe out. Any way breathe, no problem. But if you breathe out here and breathe in next movement, you will feel comfort. So hand goes back, look back. Hand comes forward, look forward, down. Move your leg fully back. Move your hand fully forward, away from you. Do 12 times, your body becomes flexible, ready for difficult asanas also. Now other side, same thing. Now move your right arm, right leg. So you can do 12 count, your whole body becomes flexible, prepared. Okay. Next we will do lie down on your back and do bicycling. Both legs up, hands near body. So do bicycling, cycling you can say. Lengthy breath here also. You can do reverse cycling also. Approximate 45 seconds you can do this exercise. Good for your abdomen, for your thighs, for your legs. Now twisting sideways, arms, feet up. Breathe out, drop your legs, left side, look right side. Up, breathe in, other side, drop, look opposite side. Twisting. Supine twist. Okay, so engaging your side muscles, abdomen muscles, back muscles becoming loose. Now we will do Pavan Muktasana breathing. This is pure breathing exercise, focus on breath. So bring your alternate knee with your both hands towards your chin, breathe out as a. Breathe in on ground, breathe out. While bringing and pressing towards each other, breathe out. Full breathe out, improve your breathe out. This is mainly breathing out exercise, so feel emptiness, maximum air, breathe out while pressing. Gives comfort in your gastric problem, body pain releases. Okay, next breathing exercise is Pavan Muktasana breathing. Bend your knees, hands near body, lift your hip region, lower back, up breathe in, down breathe out, repeat. While raising, breathe in. Synchronize your breath. Rising breath in, lowering breath out. This is breathing exercise. So 10 times you can do. Turn right side, slowly sit down. So we finished one segment. In this we did some breathing exercises and loosening practices. Now we will do Surya Namaskara, few rounds. First round I will explain, moderate little bit, too much I will not explain. Separate Surya Namaskara video is there. There you can see more explanation. Stand in your sthiti. Hands together, breathe out. Hands up, breathe in, Namaskarasana. Breathe out, forward bend, Padhastasana. Right leg back, breathe in, Ek Padasana. Knee down, ankle stretch, front foot flat, knee above the heel. Dvipadasana, breathe out, straight body. Sasankasana, breathe in, breathe out. Ashtangasana, fully breathe out. Bhujangasana, breathe in. Parvatasana, breathe out. Sasankasana, breathe in, breathe out. Ekpadasana, breathe in. Padhastasana, breathe out. Namaskarasana, breathe in. Like this you can relax 10 seconds. Again you can do. Or you can do continuous. Now I will do 6 rounds non-stop continuous. Namaskarasana, Padhastasana, Ekpadasana, Dvipadasana, Sasankasana, Ashtangasana, Bhujangasana, Parvatasana, Sasankasana, Ekpadasana, Padhastasana, Namaskarasana. So here try to understand sequence of feet of leg movement. Here breathe in, Padhastasana, breathe out. I am starting with left foot. Ekpadasana, Dvipadasana, Sasankasana, Ashtangasana, Bhujangasana, Parvatasana, Sasankasana, Ekpadasana. Same left foot I brought forward. I started with left foot back, same I am bringing forward first. So Ekpadasana, Padhastasana, Namaskarasana. Here breathe in, now breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out both. Then fully breathe out. Ashtang, Cobra, breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out, breathe in. So when I speak, I cannot maintain breathing sequence. Okay, so I will not speak, and 2 rounds I will do more. You can listen somehow breathing sound you may be able to monitor. If you notice in this Surya Namaskar, I did not do second Sasankasana. So we can skip also Sasankasana, but try to do. And next round watch, I will conclude with that. So these were few Surya Namaskar. You do 12 Surya Namaskar, you will get quite more benefit. Whole body becomes flexible, it's stronger, your breathing improves, mind becomes relaxed, your immune system becomes stronger, overall health improvement if you do Surya Namaskar 12 round. And this is basic traditional Surya Namaskar, everyone can do. Initially you may feel some difficulty while going to Ashtanga, so in place of Ashtanga you can lie down straight and continue. Like that you can modify. Next we will do few more exercises, especially for abdomen, hip region, thigh. They will work on that. So first exercise, feet here apart. Right foot from back, left side, see diagonal it is going, right hand down near left foot, other hand up, like this. And again feet apart. So place your foot away from other. See my left foot is behind, I am placing it quite away. Now right foot I am raising and placing it quite away, like this. So going right side, left hand comes down. Going left side, right hand comes down. While going down, breathe out. So your abdomen is pressing and twisting, thigh exercise, hip region engaging. Okay, so you can do 30 seconds or 20 rounds you can do. Next, extending exercise, standing position, abdomen exercise. Hands here, keep your elbow at shoulder height. They should go back from the shoulder height. So right elbow left knee, left elbow right knee, like this. Four, three, two, one. Good abdomen exercise. Core strengthening. Abdomen, belly fat burning here. Okay, next exercise. Some exercises are difficult, you can avoid. If you are good enough, you can do. Mountain climber. On your hands, on your feet, on your toes. So hands just below the shoulders, normal gap, body straight. Now bring your alternate knee forward and hip don't move up down. So body remains straight. While bringing forward, breathe out. This is normal speed. We can do in running speed, then normal breathe. So it is abdomen exercise, not too easy. Try to understand. Next exercise, we will do lying on back. Generally lying on back, there are so many exercises. Okay, for abdomen exercise we should do three kind of exercises: diagonal abdomen exercise, side abdomen exercise, and front abdomen exercise. Okay, so next we will do front abdomen exercise here. Extend arms overhead. So breathing out, raising arms and legs. Gentlemen, no jerk, no extra force. Try to do comfortably. No jerk, no extra force, like this. Feel easy. So while raising, stomach is pressing, breathe out more air. While coming down, breathe in. More air, breathe out. That was exercise of front abdomen. Okay, next exercise, lying on back, and we will twist our body in such a way to more side muscles will get expansion. You can see here, lying on back. Sideways arms expand, feet up. Now drop your legs, right side, push your left leg more, like this, dropping and pushing left leg more. See this side. Okay, my system is going here and there, let me fix it. Okay, so we can do like this. So like this you can do 5 rounds of twisting. So these muscles are deeply got stretched. Now we will do contraction. Diagonal contraction again. Here, extended body, slightly arms and legs up. This segment is difficult. Don't do too much also. Here head is raised, so more load goes on the neck. In case of neck pain, your cervical spondylitis, don't raise your head. Like this. Diagonal, legs and arms crossing each other. Both sides breathe out. While pushing your hand, breathe out. Too much fast don't do. Don't lose your control. In between you have to inhale, while pushing your hand, exhale. Okay, that is nice way. Now side abdomen exercise. We will do turning right side, lifting upper and lower body, maintaining sideness like this. So here don't tilt back, okay, and don't keep your legs forward. Straighten your body, sideways bend, observe. So these muscles are contracting, squeezing, burning calorie, getting slimness. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Like that, do other side. 15 to 20 count is good duration. Easily, comfortably keep your flat palm. So elbow will remain down and lifting upper body. Armpit will come up like this. And lower body also lifting. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1, stop. So while lifting, muscles are contracting, breathing out is good that time. Next, lie down on your back, and we will do here raising both legs up, raising hands also up. So legs comfortably, lower back flat. Now slide your hands 2 inches, so upper body will move. Up, up, breathe out, up. Like that you can do 30 seconds, 40 seconds, okay, or 20 times, it is good, or as per your comfort. Okay, so these were few abdomen exercises, front of the abdomen, side of the abdomen, diagonal of the abdomen. Okay, next we will do few asanas. So asana means keeping body in one position with comfort. Okay, staying at a position for for few seconds or 1 or 2 minutes sometimes. So staying there with normal breathing flow, happy mind, loose face, comfortable body, still body. That is asana. No painfully, no continuous moving. Okay. Try to see very simple asana. Stand straight, little bit feet gap. So feel comfort, body straight. Straight body means feet flat, feel body weight on whole feet, knee straight, stomach in, chest out, shoulder apart, lengthen the neck, back straight. Now raise your right arm from right side, up, breathe in, stretch, breathe out, left bend, stay here, facing front. Make sure your right shoulder should not come forward. Left ear down, face slightly up. Come up, breathe in, stretch, down, breathe out. So before bending we are stretching, and after bending also we are stretching. Remember that. Ardha Kati Chakrasana we are doing, left side, up, breathe in, stretch, breathe out, right bend. So main benefits: improves lateral flexibility of your spinal column, burning fat, improving circulation at side muscles. This asana improves functioning of liver. Up, breathe in, stretch, down, breathe out, Ardha Kati Chakrasana. Next we will do Trikonasana. I will not stay for longer time. Feet gap 3 feet or slightly more if your height is more. Arms at shoulder height. Turn your toe pointing right side. Don't turn your upper body. Now breathe out, right side bend. Again, body should not come forward. Look up, left hand, stay here. So arms are approximate vertical, expand them, breathe. Up, breathe in, other side, toe pointing left side, left foot fully left side pointing, right foot 45-degree inside, sideways expand. Now breathe out, exactly left side bend, so it is Trikonasana. Wherever your hand is reaching, you may reach here, no problem. Loose face, up, breathe in. Next asana, Paribrat Konasana, revolved triangle pose. Turn your whole body, right side, bend forward, bring your left hand down, right hand up. Now left hand here you can keep in front of right foot, it is easy. After practice you can bring this hand behind like this. Here balancing becomes difficult for beginners. Come up, breathe in, other side turn and breathe out. Up, breathe in, turn forward. Next is Pars Konasana, feet gap some more. For Pars Konasana, feet gap actually more. Now toe pointing right side, right foot fully pointing right, left foot slightly pointing right. So bend your right knee, right hand down, left shoulder keep up, and left hand extend in the line of body, face up, look towards extended hand. Keep your left foot flat. Lengthen your left edge of the body. Come up, breathe in. Now other side toe pointing, bend your left knee, left hand down. Come up, breathe in. Now we will do revolved side angle pose. It was side angle pose. Paribrat Pars Konasana. Here, toe pointing right side. Bend your right knee and bring your upper body fully turn right side. Bring your left upper arm on your thigh. Join your hands. Look back through your hands. Rear foot also flat if possible. Hip region press down same time. Relax, come up. Other side toe pointing. So bend your left knee. Bring your right upper arm on your left thigh. Join your hands like Namaste in front of your heart. Come up. Relax, hands down. Next is forward bending. Prasarit Padhastasana, feet apart and bending forward. Actually, you may not be able to bend that much, so no problem. Suppose your bending is this much, you stay there. But I will bend perfectly here. My hands will come between feet and head will come in center. So feet, hands and head in one line. Okay. Up, breathe in, stretch. Breathe out, forward bend. That is actually Prasarit Pad Hastasana. Some more, you can bring your feet near if they are slipping too much out. Knee straight. Okay, slightly head up. Come up, breathe in, expand. Breathe out, hands down. Next we will do backward bending and expansion of heart and lungs. Good for respiration. Ardha Chakrasana, backward bend. Press your toes down for balancing. Push your lowermost back. Breathe in, stay here. Under control, stay here. If you bend more, you will lose your control, remember. Breathe out, come straight. If you apply more force, if you try to more bend, then you will lose your control, your body will start shaking. That is not a asana. Asana means you should become still, comfortable, breathing flow comfortable, loose face, happy mind. Next, few sitting asanas we will do. Legs forward. Remember, we are not doing all asanas. Okay. So, class wise, we are changing the asanas. So, today we selected triangular poses more. Okay. Now, right leg fold, left leg straight. Janu Sira Asana. Hands up, breathe in, straight chin up. Breathe out, forward bend. Hold your leg wherever your hands are reaching. Lengthen your spine and stay here. Lengthy breath. Up, breathe in, stretch. Down, breathe out, interchange. So while upward stretching, breathing, while bending forward, breathe out. So stretch, breathe in, let us change the angle. Chin up. While bending forward, always chin away from throat. After bend, you can drop your head down loosely. Up, breathe in, stretch. So don't fold your back. It is not folding. It is not folding asana. Stretch your back, lengthen your back and bend forward. Try to get, so your head will go not on the knee, much more forward beyond the knee. It will reach like this. I am lengthening my spine, I am pushing my spine forward, lengthening. Okay. Next asana, legs forward, Paschimottanasana. Up, breathe in, straight chin up. Breathe out, forward bend. Here also, bend your elbows, loose elbows and breathe out further, stretch and bend forward. Come up, breathe in, stretch, down, breathe out. That is Paschimottanasana. Very popular for growing children. These muscles become longer and height becomes more in young children. If they do this asana, their growth becomes ideal and good. Okay, counterpart of this Paschimottanasana we will do Ustrasana and Dhanurasana. Stand on knees. Whenever you stand like this on your knees, what you do? Keep quite good cushion below the knee. Now push your lowermost back. Breathe in. Stay here. If you are more comfortable, bring your hands on your heels like this. But hip region pushed forward. Breathe out, come straight. Next is Dhanurasana in prone posture. Bring your feet in your hands or ankles. Lift your body up, breathe in. Stay rest. Down, breathe out. Observe comfort. Relax. Lying on back. Here are good asanas for abdomen, for belly fat burning. If you raise your one leg, that become Uttanasana, that is also good. Okay, we will do only main asanas. Here, lift your both legs around 30 degrees up and bring your hands over your thighs. Stay here. Boat pose, Naukasana. Different angles are there. Sometimes stay here. Okay, down, breathe in. Sometimes lift your legs 60 degrees. Hand comes near your knee. Sometimes some more lift and pointing your fingers towards your toes. So these all are good for your abdomen. Your abdomen getting slim and functioning of abdominal part improve here. Okay. Next asana we will do Falak asana. Again it is not easy. Some strength required in your upper arm, in your shoulders. We will do on forearms and toes. So forearms just parallel approximate, elbows under shoulder, straighten your body, lift your body on toes, on your forearms up. After lifting, lengthen your whole body. Knee fully straight, shoulder quite high, no looseness. Hold your body here strongly. Look between your hands. Inhale, exhale more air. At starting, you can do 30 seconds or less and slowly improve that duration. You go up to 1 minute, then further improve, go up to 2 minutes and further you can improve. Practice by practice. So this is also very good for abdomen, for belly fat. Okay. Like this, we did some asana mainly focused on abdomen and some flexibility, forward bending, side bending. Okay. Further, some independent stretching also there. In my next video, you will see. And asanas are many more. We selected only few asanas in this class. In next video, I will do different asanas to give you more knowledge, to make your practice good. Okay, you need to watch my videos and practice, watching and practice together. So practice will make you perfect. Okay, after doing these asanas, you can do some pranayam. For example, I will do 2 pranayams. Now in COVID situation, after COVID, these pranayams are very important. Already we did some breathing exercises, full breath in, full breath out. We expanded our lungs vertically, horizontally, if you remember, in this video itself. Now we will regulate our breath. We will regulate our pranic energy. So Anulom Vilom is very famous pranayam, very popular. Like this, use your right hand, close your right nose with your right thumb, through left nose breathe out. Now smoothly from left nose breathe in. After 3-4 seconds, hold and close your left nose, right side breathe out slowly and fully. After 3 seconds, from same right breathe in. After 3-4 seconds, close your right and left side breathe out. Very simple to understand. Through left breathe in, through right breathe out, through right breathe in, through left breathe out. But slow breathe, and every time keep your breath inside for 4 seconds and outside for 3 or 4 seconds, not too long. You can keep outside for 2 seconds also, or very comfortably. We can hold for 15, 20 seconds, 30 seconds easily, but here we are making a pause, not holding. 3 seconds hold inside, 3 seconds hold outside, so clarity becomes between your breath. Inhale through left, exhale through right. Inhale through right, exhale through left. Breathe in through left, breathe out through right. Breathe in through right, breathe out through left. Anulom Vilom, alternate nostril breathing exercise, you can say. With happy mind, a straight body, your spine should be straight, shoulders apart while doing this pranayam, and every time full breath. Now I will do 1 round, 2 rounds without speaking. So if you do smooth, 1 cycle will take around 12 to 15 seconds. If we do more lengthy, it will take 30 seconds, but very comfortably it will take around 15 seconds. Do daily for 5 minutes, and your energy in your body will balance. We have 5 kind of prana in our body. At lower region, Apan Vai, then Saman Vai, here in heart region, Pran Vai, in throat region, Udan Vai, in all over body, Vyana Vayu. So 5 prana should be balanced for functioning of our system. All the systems of the body functioning because of these pranayams. Okay, next pranayam, Bhramari pranayam. Om chanting also we can do. Om. So soothing your throat becomes good. Today we will do Bhramari Pranayam, producing humming sound of Brahmar, sound of beetle like this. 5 times only we will do. Close your ears but don't press too much. Very gently close, body straight, face loose, and 5 times produce smoother and quite good volume of sound. Even without closing of ear also you can do in Chin Mudra. Okay. So do at least 5 times, but if you do 3 minutes, that is approximate 10 times, so that vibration, that sound resonance, giving benefit to each and every cell of the body. Especially this Bhramari sound, humming sound is good for our head region, for our brain, for the glands associated with our brain, pineal, pituitary, hypothalamus. They functioning properly, their functioning becomes improved. Okay, so do these things regularly. Now we will conclude. How should conclude? Don't run immediate, just shake your arms. Again make your body loose, rotate your shoulders, feel looseness, opposite rotate, keep your legs forward, clap your feet, loosen your legs, join your feet, hold them together, butterfly. So like this also you can do looseness. Your knees may not reaching up to the ground, no problem. If too difficult you can avoid it. Tiger Asana. Loosen your back and spine. For better relaxation, some knee gap, hip on heels, head down, Sasankasana. Stay here for 30 seconds. Easy breathe, relax, simply relax. This is very easy asana. Now head up, extend your right arm, lie down, extend your right arm, bring your left knee left side, position your left forearm loosely, right part of head place on ground. Simply, if it is difficult, you can adjust yourself, or you should apply one pillow between your right arm and head. If you place one pillow between your head and right arm, it will give you good relaxation. If still it is not comfortable, you should lie down on your back. Natural breathe, feel lightness. For 3 minutes at least. Savasana takes around 10 minutes, 8 to 12 minutes for Savasana. People are not so patient. At least 3 minutes you should lie down in that position. And that is Savasana today. Actual Savasana we are lying on back. So this way also we can conclude. Okay. So do these regular practices. I hope you will get Not hope, it is confirmed already people are getting benefit, overall benefit. Your body becomes flexible, stronger, burning calorie, burning fat, making your body slim and fit. Your mind becomes relaxed, your respiration improves. Very important, your breathing must be good enough. Okay, so do regularly, watch videos. Thank you.